Melanie-2-Sneeze. Melanie-2-Sneeze. What's up? Booyaka. Booyaka. I've been talking with you on the phone for like 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Are you muted yet? Yeah, you're muted. You're fucking muted, man. You're fucking muted. You can't hear shit I'm saying. My beard's coming quite nicely. Even though I think I may shave it off because it's like a fucking vagina. Yours. Look at my eyes. They look so brown. They look like you just shat on my face. But then I guess my face looks like all the time. Because I have a shit face. Anyway. I love you. Booyaka, booyaka. And keep sneezing. Keep sneezing and steezing. You're in season. Sleezing. Bitch.